Hi and welcome to the market view for Wednesday the 27th of August 2014. Starting off with the 30-minute chart, you can see that we have a black PTP, which means of course that the trade was a losing trade. And the reason for this was the market trading down to the DP level, finding support twice. You can see finding support here, then here, and then moving back up towards the recent high there of Tuesday. Actually, that would be Monday, not Tuesday. The high of Monday, before turning and heading south. So in the 30-minute chart, we have a 17-point loss, but the good news is this was made up in the 60-minute chart after the consumer durable goods and consumer confidence that was released in the US after 3 p.m. So you can see there the market moving lower, down towards the support from Monday, and of course that's the low of Monday, and then finding support in this area before the close, and then coming back. So the loss was certainly able to be made up for there in the 60-minute chart in the afternoon, as the 30-minute and 60-minute gave both the same signal in the early morning there. In the daily charts, the market still sideways. You can see this here, sitting around the 16548 area, or 165.50. Needs to move back to the upside, and in fact, if I just remove this fib and add one in here for you from this high, actually down to the low here, so all on the one bar there, 165.82 is where you can expect some resistance in this market, and funny enough, that's where it came in yesterday. You can see the market just struggling in this area here. Moving along to the Dow, if you've not taken the opportunity of the free upgrade yet for trading the Dow, then please do so. See the video from Friday that I recorded with regards to how to obtain this. So here we see the V-shaped correction complete, and price is trading back up to the all-time high yesterday, 17,151, before coming off the highs towards the latter part of the trading session. If you have a look at the market view for the Dow, you will be able to see more of the intraday activity with regards to what was made yesterday trading the Dow, as price is headed back towards the all-time high there. In the implied volatility, which is rather odd, this has actually dropped from Monday, which is really strange. So Tuesday, seeing the implied dropping down to 888% there, 8.88%, which is rather odd when you consider that the market's just traded back to the all-time high. What we'd expect here is for the implied volatility to increase, because there's a probability that the market will actually move lower, because this is where the previous selling area was. However, that said, I noticed yesterday I was writing some detail about why you should use the daily chart, and noticed some very interesting patterns within side of the Dow daily, which will be available shortly. But incredibly fascinating, noticing, in fact, I'll give you just one tip here. Every time the market moves higher, you will see when it breaches the previous highs, there's always some form of profit taking. So if you were to draw a horizontal line across the highs, you can see the market. In fact, if I just draw this across, you can see the market making a high there, and after the high you can see the market pulling back. You can see the market then heading back towards this high. So if I just draw into there, you can see the market coming back. If I draw off this high here, you can see the market coming back for a couple of days, but once it's breached here, you can see coming up and then back again, going back to it, back again, and the same from across here, the market coming back again, and then of course when we've gone through here, we can see the market at the all-time highs once more, and then coming back. So now we're back to this situation where we could go through and then come back through, which has been the pattern all the way along. And like I say, something I noticed yesterday, as far as the Dow is concerned, it's a fascinating pattern as well. So at least, sort of, we get an indication here that we could see some sort of the market breaking through and then coming back, as we did in every other occasion where the market went on to make new highs or to go to the double top, i.e. the previous all-time high. So an interesting picture, and to say a lot more detail on this to come. Plus, obviously, what happens at the opposite side as the market then makes its recovery. And again, you can see, you can see this. You get the little V-shaped corrections in the market, where the market, once it's dropped, returns, finds support, and moves back. And this is just a bigger version of the smaller ones that we've seen previously. And again, you can see that V shape there. You can see sort of a V there, and the same there. That one's more of a W, where the market's failed a bit. But again, back, you can see the elongated V there. You've got a V there. But again, as the market makes these new highs, all-time highs, the market, or double tops, the market then corrects, and the same here, double top corrects. There, the market tries to come back, it corrects. The only one is there where it continued for a bit longer, but then you've got the indication there. So it's the same pattern all the way through. So one worthwhile noting, and again, give us this sort of forewarning that there could be a bit of a correction there. One thing I have forgotten is today's news, so let me just do that. 2 medium impact today, nothing worth even mentioning, which is probably why I forgot to mention it. I did have a look earlier. Right, well, that's it for this market view. I'll see you in the Dow market view. For those of you that are downloading and watching that, you can get that from the Pinpoint Trader YouTube site, and also off the front page of the website as well. So let me just show you where that is. You can't log into this website. There are no login details at the moment, but the videos are posted on the front page. If this will actually connect to it, let's just see why it's struggling. So pinpointtrader.com is the website. So you will not be able to log in using your username and password at this time. However, the videos are posted on the front page there, so you can actually watch the videos. And also, if you click on one of these videos, click on the YouTube icon at the bottom. Let me just stop me talking in the background. There we go. So if you click on the YouTube button at the bottom there, this will take you to the actual channel. What I would suggest you do here is actually click on subscribe. You will then receive a automated notification then when a new video has been added. So you can either do that or just go to the pinpointtrader.com website, and you will find the videos that have been added so far on the front page there, contained within the blog. So just a reminder, you cannot log into this website at the moment. You will be able to shortly once we've migrated all of the details, but at this point you cannot log in, but you can get access to the Dow videos from the front page there, and also the YouTube channel, which I would recommend that you actually subscribe to as well. Right, well, that's it for me for this one. I will see you in the next one. Have a good day. As ever, thank you for your support. Very much appreciated. And as ever,